Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is foreboding. It's pronounced foreboding, and it is spelt Foreboding. Think for, and then bod, and then ing. Foreboding has two meanings. The first is a fearful apprehension or feeling that something bad will happen. The second is implying that something bad is about to happen. For example, the doctor's tone was dark and foreboding. Foreboding comes from the prefix for, meaning before, and the noun bode. Bode comes from the Old English bodien, meaning to proclaim or announce beforehand. Putting these two words together creates foreboding's meaning, that is, announcing something before it happens. Foreboding is the feeling that something bad is going to happen before it actually happens. Do you see the connection? Can you think of any examples of foreboding? If you went for a nice long walk and you looked up to see the sky filled with dark grey clouds, this could forebode rain. Or, in Disney's Frozen, when we first meet the villain Hans, he reveals that he has 12 older brothers, making him the 13th sibling. Ever heard of unlucky number 13? This connection is used as foreboding to suggest he will turn out to be the bad guy. Forebode can be both a noun and an adjective. For example, you could say, with a sense of foreboding, she opened the mysterious letter. Or you can use the word foreboding as an adjective and say, the dark sky was angry and foreboding of what was to come. Foreboding is defined in the dictionary as a feeling or suggestion that something very bad is going to happen soon. Foreboding synonyms include apprehension, dread, premonition, anxiety, and apprehensiveness. Antonyms include fortune, calm, good omen, luck, and providence. See if you can notice anything foreboding today. It could be on TV or in real life. If you see someone feel fearful or imply that something bad is going to happen, impress them by using your new word, foreboding. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.